Welcome to the English Beginner Zone. Hello, everyone. Today we are going to listen to a real-life story. You will hear a simple conversation between two friends, Tony and Diana, and a doctor at an animal clinic. They find an injured dog in a quiet alley and try to help it step by step. I will speak slowly, so don't worry. Just relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a question for you. Please listen carefully. Here is today's question. What important lesson does Tony learn about helping an injured dog? The answer is in the story. Try to listen and find it. You can write your answer in the comments in English. This will help you improve your English faster. All right, are you ready? Let's start the video.
Tony, did you hear that sound just now?
Yeah, I heard something too. That weak sound really doesn't sound good.
I think it's coming from those bushes over there.
Those bushes over there? Wait, you mean near the corner? Oh man, there's a dog hiding in the bushes.
A dog? Poor thing. Its front leg looks badly hurt.
Its leg looks really bad. Should we even go closer? What if it bites us because it's scared?
Yeah, scared and hurt animals get frightened really easily, so we need to stay calm first.
Stay calm first. You sound like you've done this before.
I used to help with rescue animals before, so I learned a few things.
Oh, rescue animals? Okay, so what do we do first?
First, don't run toward it. If we move too fast toward the dog, it might feel unsafe.
Oh, so first we make it feel safe before anything else.
Exactly. Scared animals usually react before they understand us.
React before they understand us. That actually makes sense.
Good. Now stay a little behind me for now.
Stay behind you. Okay, I'm trying not to panic.
You're doing fine, just move slowly and keep your voice soft.
Move slowly. Okay. Hey, buddy. It's okay. We're not going to hurt you, all right?
Good. That calm voice really helps here.
It's shaking a lot right now.
Yeah, it's probably cold, scared, and in pain.
Cold, scared, and hurt. Man, this is really hard to watch.
I know. That's why we stay careful, not rushed.
Careful, not rushed. Got it. Should I pick him up now?
Not yet. We need to hold him the right way first.
The right way? Wait, why does that matter so much?
If the leg is hurt badly, lifting him the wrong way can make it worse.
Oh, so even helping the wrong way can hurt him more.
Exactly. A lot of people make that mistake when they panic.
Panic makes people rush. Okay, where do I put my hands?
One arm goes under the chest. The other arm goes under the back body. That way we keep him steady and safe.
Steady and safe. So it's more about control than strength.
Yes, exactly. Being steady helps reduce pain.
Reduce pain. All right, I'll try. Like this?
Wait, slow down a bit. You're pressing too close to the hurt leg.
Too close to the hurt leg? Oh shoot, I didn't see that.
It's okay. You're nervous, so your hands are moving too fast.
Yeah, I feel really stressed right now.
I know, just focus on slow and steady. Right now, speed is not important.
Slow and steady. Okay, chest supported, back supported.
Good. That looks much better now.
Wow, he stopped moving so much.
That means he feels safer now.
Safer already? I didn't know body position mattered this much.
It really does, especially with injured animals. All right, Tony, let's take him to an animal clinic.
An animal clinic? You think it's serious?
Yes. We can't see everything just by looking outside.
So there could be hidden problems inside his body?
Yes. Animals hide pain very well sometimes.
Hide pain really well. I didn't know that.
It's a survival instinct for them.
A survival instinct. Wow, that's kind of sad.
Yeah, that's why we shouldn't wait too long.
Shouldn't wait too long. Okay, let's go.
Fast, but careful. Rushing too much can create new problems.
Right, accuracy before speed.
Exactly. Accuracy before speed.
Should we call a taxi now?
Yes. And we'll wrap him in a towel too.
Wrap him in a towel? Is that for warmth?
Warmth and comfort. Feeling covered can help him feel safer too.
Oh, so it's also emotional comfort.
Yes. Stress matters too.
Stress matters too. Got it. He's breathing really fast.
That can happen when he's scared or in pain.
Scared or in pain. How do you stay so calm through all this?
Because if we panic, animals get more scared.
More scared because of us? So they react to us too?
Yes. They watch our voice and body movement carefully.
Wait, so if I sound scared, he can feel it too?
Most of the time, yes.
Wow, I seriously didn't know that before.
That's why we stay steady the whole time.
Stay steady. Yeah, I think I get it now.
You're doing really well.
Really? He's not pulling away anymore.
That means he's starting to trust you now.
Starting to trust me? Really?
Yes, that's a really good sign. All right, Tony, we're at the animal clinic now.
Okay, place him down carefully over here.
Fully? Okay. Is he going to be okay?
I can't say everything yet, but bringing him early was the right decision.
Bringing him early helped? What do you check first?
First, I check breathing and heart condition.
Breathing and heart first? Why not the leg first?
Because breathing problems are more dangerous right away.
So you check life safety first before injuries?
Yes, exactly.
So you don't go straight to the injury immediately?
Correct. We always check the whole body first.
Checking the whole body first. That makes sense.
This is way more organized than I thought.
All right, now I'll check the leg.
Hearing that sound really hurts.
Pain sounds actually help us find the injury area.
The sounds help? How?
The painful reaction shows where the injury is worse.
But you're still being gentle while checking, right?
Of course, we avoid causing more pain.
Everything is so careful here at the clinic.
It has to be careful.
I'll take an x-ray now to check for broken bones.
An X-ray. That's like a scan, right?
Yes,
So the x-ray shows things we can't see outside?
exactly. Good news! There are no broken bones,
No broken bones? Oh, thank goodness.
but there is still a bad bruise and muscle injury.
A bruise and muscle injury. So what do we do now?
Rest, medicine, and time.
Rest and medicine. What medicine exactly?
Special medicine made for animals.
Animal medicine only? Not human medicine?
Correct. Human medicine can be dangerous for dogs.
Dangerous for dogs? Oh, wow.
Give the medicine twice a day after food.
Twice a day after food. Okay. What should we avoid?
No running, no jumping, and no licking the leg.
No licking either? What if he keeps licking it?
Licking the injury slows healing.
Slows healing. How long is recovery?
About 1 to 2 weeks.
1 to 2 weeks. What if we miss a dose?
Give it later. Don't double it.
Any side effects from the medicine?
He may feel sleepy sometimes. That is normal.
So we just watch him carefully every day?
Yes, watch him every day during recovery.
What exactly should we look for?
If he stops eating or looks worse, come back immediately.
So recovery at home is very important too.
Yes, healing continues at home.
Okay, Tony, let's bring him home now.
Bring him home. Should we play with him to make him happy?
Not yet. Right now, he needs rest first.
Oh, so too much fun is not good yet.
Right. Too much movement slows healing.
Slows healing. I never thought about that before.
Most people don't think about it.
So a quiet place is better for him now?
Yes, a calm space helps healing.
Calm space helps healing. That's interesting.
Tony, hand me that blanket over there.
This blanket here?
Soft surfaces help his body feel better.
Wow, everything really matters, huh?
Yes, small things matter a lot.
Small things matter a lot. Wow, this is more detailed than I expected.
You're starting to understand now.
Yeah, everything is really about safety.
Exactly. Safety comes first.
He's finally relaxing a little now.
That's a really good sign.
I'll give him some food now.
Wait, small amount first.
Small amount first? Why?
Too much food too quickly can make him sick.
Oh, so slow is better again.
Yes, slow is better.
He's eating really slowly.
Good. Eating slowly like that is healthy.
Healthy? Why is that a good sign?
It means he feels okay enough to eat calmly.
Wow, even these small things matter too.
Yes, they really do.
This morning feels so different now.
It really does feel different.
Earlier, I thought helping just meant carrying him somewhere.
Most people think helping is only that.
Now I see it's much more than that.
Yes, it's many small right decisions together.
Many small right decisions. So there's no big hero moment?
Not really, just steady care over time.
Steady care. That really changed how I think.
That's good.
We should name him now.
Yeah, we should.
I think Bingo.
Bingo? That's the name you want?
Yeah, it just feels right somehow.
I like it.
Hey, Bingo. You're safe now, okay?
He likes your voice.
Really? He's sleeping now.
Yeah, he finally feels safe.
I'm really glad we came here today.
Me too. That small choice really changed everything.
Yeah. I won't ignore things like this again.
That's how care begins.
Did you enjoy the story? Let me ask you the question again. What important lesson does Tony learn about helping an injured dog? Did you find the answer? If yes, write it in the comments below. Keep practicing like this and your English will improve step by step. On this channel, I share simple English stories with slow speaking and real-life situations. I will upload more videos like this. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. You can also join the membership if you want more content. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.